So the next website that I want to talk about is ABCya. And ABCya, if you can't tell by the screen, is an interactive game website that enhances students' learning and their skills through the games that they play. As you can see at the top, there is a section for Common Core standards, a section for parents and teachers, resources, help, manage your account. It's free to sign up, but you go through and you can see that there's different sections for pre-K all the way to 6th grade plus. I teach middle school art, so I went ahead and chose 6th grade plus. And as you can see, it's broken down to different sections between letters, numbers, holiday sections, strategy games, and skill games. If I went and clicked on skill games, you would have a bunch of different games that come up, like Learn the Skeletal System, Keyboard Challenge to help with typing skills, Make a Mask, which was super awesome, especially, since the pandemic and all. In the art classroom, instead of students, just doing the regular painting program on their laptops, they could go here and do ABCya Paint. There's also Animate, which is pretty awesome. But you can go through all of the different sections, and there's a bunch of different things for students to do. Just a nice little brain break, because I teach block periods, so one of my classes is 90 minutes long, which means I implement several brain breaks for my students. I don't expect them to sit in their seats and just create art for 90 straight minutes. So this is a really engaging tool that I could use to, just have visual manipulatives for students to use to have fun in the art classroom. But up here you can see it says search ABCya, and if I type in art, you have all of these different results that come up, especially with the standards as well. There's also different games, different videos, how to create leaf prints, how to make a magic wand, 3D cube, 3D flower, all of those things. Then there's coloring pages where you can go and have those printed off. Blog posts, Common Core standards, so on and so forth. So what I thought was really cool about ABCya, when I was thinking about the standards for education leaders, I definitely thought about the first standard regarding equity and citizenship advocate. So definitely I would model 1D, which is cultivate responsible online behavior, including the safe, ethical, and legal use of technology. And using this site, I don't have to worry about them being on the wrong site to engage their learning. So they are reflecting their understandings no matter what game that they do play. And also 1B, ensure all students have access to the technology and connectivity necessary to participate in authentic and engaging learning opportunities. So implementing both of those is really awesome for the kids. And this is an awesome resource for other educators that they could use in their classrooms for brain breaks.